Hello students, good morning to you all. Today I have come up with an exciting activity which we are going to implement in the following class. The activity called as a flipped classroom. This is totally different from what we do in a normal traditional class. I definitely know you people might be bored in looking at our faces and listening to the class all the time. So for a change, we'll try to implement this particular activity, which is going to be a wonderful one. And I'm sure that this will definitely help you in boosting the confidence in terms of understanding the concepts. Dear students, before we get into what exactly is flipped class all about, we'll try to understand what we normally do in a traditional class. In a traditional class, a faculty member comes prepared to the class and the faculty members delivers the class. You as a student will listen to the class and then you will try to understand the class. This method of listening and understanding the concepts is what normally we call it as a passive method. Your involvement in the class will not be there to a larger extent. Whereas coming to a flipped class, in a flipped class, what we are going to do is, what I'm going to do now is, I will provide you the study material, which will be in the form of notes and video lectures right now. You will collect these particular notes and the video links. You will go back home and try to read these notes and try to listen to the video lectures at your own time, that is convenient time, and at your own pace. That's an advantage you get when you do it at home. This reading and watching the video should happen so as to understand the concepts which are going to be useful for you in the following class. Now, coming to the following class, wherein we are going to implement this particular activity called as a flipped class. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to divide the students in multiple groups, wherein each group can have at least 5 to 6 number of students. And then for each of these group, I'm going to give a program. This program you are supposed to write, you are supposed to implement, debug, and execute using Java language. Once you do so in a stipulated amount of time, then we'll go for assessment. Dear students, during this activity, you will be discussing with your friends and then you will try to solve the problem statement that is given to you. This activity in turn helps you in order to understand the concepts in a better way, because you alone will not be working on this. Instead, multiple brains will be working to solve this particular problem. So when you are discussing, debating, there is every chance that this particular concept that you are going to learn, you will never forget in your life. Apart from this, this is going to increase the level of thinking in terms of doing analysis, evaluating, and implementing the given problem statement. This will also help you to develop interpersonal skills as well communication skills. You will understand how you need to work in a particular team. This will boost up your confidence and definite that you are going to learn the concepts in a much, much better way when compared to the normal traditional class. Finally, we'll go for an assessment wherein I will be coming to each of the group and then I will be asking some questions to each member in a group. Based on the answers that you give, I am going to rate you and then I'm going to provide you the marks. So hope students, this particular activity, you find it very exciting and encouraging. I wish you all the best and happy learning at home. Thank you.